Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. We've got a beautiful day out here today to stand on a beautiful boat. We are standing on a 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX. It's the quantum blue exterior with the stone interior. And this one, guys, comes equipped with the rear-facing lounger, a nice giant swim deck with a fold-out swim seat as well. Stereo controls here on the transom of the boat. A cooler located here, a dockside step. We've got trash here, a sink, cooler storage as well right here, refrigerator. Very popular boat here at the Lake of the Ozarks just because of all that seating that you see. Got a nice giant size head here in the front. Enough room to stand up in. And that traditional sun deck bow seating, guys. Again, Jeff here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Foldable tower. Give us a shout, marinemax.com, 573-606-3035. Again, it's a Sea Ray 2025 290 SDX. Have a great day.